At first, I will guide you to develop a Flink application about word statistics by DataSet API. Although the DataSet API has been deprecated, but some legacy Flink applications that based on the Flink old version still use it to handle the offline files and bounded data stream. Okay, here we go. Which the Flink application is pretty simple. In generally, we need 4 or 5 steps. Declare the execution environment, define the data sources, specify the data sink and between source and sink, copies of data transformation operations. All right. Last name, word, count, batch process. Okay. PSVM defines the main class. Okay. First, create the execution environment. We use the execution environment and call the get execution environment. We will get the variable named env. Okay. And the second step, we can read the date from the batch file. We will use env to read text files and specify the file path, input, words, text. Okay, it will return the data source. Data source. Okay, now we can do the copies of the transformation process and transformate data. All right, transfer data. We'll use the data source called the flat map. The flat map is used to split each file lines to individual words. Okay. Create the flat map function at here. The input data type is string, that is a text line, and the output is a tuple2 provided by a Flink API. String and long, all right. And overwrite the flat map method at here. First, we can call the value, rename the value to line. It's better. Line split by white space. Okay, white space. We can use the DataStream API, and for each individual word, we can use the collect int actually. Collect method, and at here we defined the tuple. Tuple first is word, and the second is word count. All right, we emit such data type to downstream, and the flat map method or operator will return a new operator. Okay, and here is the flat map operator. Yeah. And then we can call the flat map group by operator. We group by based the word, right? That is we can use the field position. The word is the position is 0, right? And return another operator type that is unsorted grouping. Okay, unsorted grouping, and then we can, based on the unsorted grouping, call the sum method, sum1, right? It's very similar. We use the circle select pala pala and grouping, select pala pala field and sum function, and from which table and grouping the column, right? Return another operator that is the aggregate operator. This is our computation result, and then we emit the operator with the result, computation result to downstream. We just emit it to the console, right? The print method will throw the exception at here, right? So we throw it to enter directly. And now, before we start to start our application, we should to property some text test data at here. First, we can create the directory named input, right? And we can create the simple text file named words text, okay? And we can type some text line at here. Hello Flink, hello Java, hello Apache, hello Flink streaming. All right. Now let me start and running the Flink application at our local developed environment. As you can see, some C is wrong. Why? It's no class definition errors. It seems we missed some library at here, right? Because we um, um, defined the dependency and the scoop is provided, that will be exclude during the runtime phase. So in order to uh, include the provided scoop, a library, as the runtime, we need to change something at here. As you can see, we can click the modify. Sorry, not here. Not here. Oh, modify options, and select the and dependency with the provided scoop to class. All right, and apply. Click OK, and rerun. Rerun it. Wait one moment. Okay, it's pretty cool. The result, the computation result is emitted to downstream. The downstream is a state console, right? As you can see, the stream, the one, Apache is one, Flink is two, and Hello is four, and Java is one, right? You can quickly to statistics by yourself, right? And after this batch file process finished, and to the last line, the application is terminated normally, right? Okay, see you next lecture.